oganda pod biro bedo joloch?
Yeah, there's going to be changes in Tanzania. In fact, gimatimore koro, oboloko kaka pach marji. Pach marji nyalo bedo ni koro they are more careful. Ngeni Tanzanians no chopo kuma koro they are more a bit ni onge gima giwacho, gi a bit careless, kia this makamago, onge problem magineno. But you can see how it has gone. It's even worse than what we had in 2007. Odi marach ma, we are so surprised. And that is something more nenoni we didn't expect, because we had thought ni katakanti a problem okobibedo ma rach ma chopo kuma jitoe ma, it's like one lose about 1,300 from official figures. Ginegi said the 3 times over that. And things are still going on. So we are looking at something that can go to about 5,000, 6, 7, 8,000, 10,000 losses. Koro, that is something more actually know. We hope ni there is going to be a way out. We hope ni the international community bokonyo. We hope ni gibo winjo watch. And we hope ni kata watch ma timore ni gibo decide ni koro gibiro back to the table. Mondo wane gimo timo. But we are praying. We are praying to our hope ni gimoro botimore maber.
Ero kenge makweth ma kwedo piny owacho kata opposition nyalo timo kata nyalo kawo mana ne gin bende gibedo ng'ala manyie mano ne ratiro mar oganda ma Tanzania oyudre makare. Nyalo paro ne ka jatend piny Suluhu nowacho ni ne okodino ne ja opposition, no oseluor ne the lawyer.
Dino to is very clear, no Dino, because in any you are in prison. Africa one gi problem. In any opposition leaders ibedo attacked Guinea prison. You know, Suluhu not the race ma, she was the only one who was there. The other people might not be a race, no. We are still, me, I have not looked at anyone fridge culture. But by the time we came out, you don't need this thing is happening. Unfortunately, the Jomano Chungni Kaka opposition were not even people who you can say. So, Enogolo opposition ma very powerful, Mondodongi the others. Aparoni Luoroma, Iparoni in fears they are very dangerous fears. Nikechi in fear ma unfounded fears. Because you see, as a person ma niparo nikoro yudo leadership nikeche maybe ngato nindo koro ikao leadership in that way. Me nikori bedogi some doubts. But Sulu should not have had those doubts. In fact, she should have looked at the numbers. The numbers were showing me she's going to win, as we had expected a win from her. But now keep target the opposition. You're even making them now stronger. You're making their case even more powerful. So I hope ni okubiti moreka mano, the opposition will come back and things will go back to normal. And we hope that there's going to be rights, restoration of rights in Tanzania.